So, and
Oh, that's the rock.
yeah, it's the same subject, but this is a much bigger four season. It's also a four season. They all like four season, so I have painted quite a number of sets. So later on, you could borrow this, and then okay, and then so I don't have 6 of them. I only have now. This is without a blossom yet. Okay, without blue yet. Okay, that you can use it as a reference, and then tiny little one like this. It's the same technique. Okay, it's just composition, different composition, and I haven't put the blossom. I will put it in a minute. Yeah. And then I dig those out last night.
Okay.
With a wet matter. Okay, see. They tell you how many spray, what kind of effects they have. So you see that. Okay, in any subject it would be the same. And how much work? Okay, who's that?
Connie.
No.
Pam.
Ask her to
Smith.
bring the and to find out to experience it, see how it works. Okay. There is a staple
Nearby?
on downtown, not too far away from the hotel. I don't know what it. And then there's a staple. There are 2 staples downtown, so you can have them photocopy.
Copy.
Oh.
Okay, but I did photocopy a set, so because I can't let you take this
No.
with you.
No, we know,
No,
yes.
no.
Oh, no.
In fact,
Those
I will-
are my teaching material.
I'll be happy to just take photographs of those.
It was just showing you yesterday. Actually, they're from the real subject.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
what a difference, yes.
Yes, you can pass it around, and then I also dig. Those are my teaching subject. Very long time ago, when I teach just landscape class. Okay, and then there are rocks and there are trees. There are pine trees. So
Now, since that's
on the
very
acetate,
smart, to
yes.
put that on the acetate, that's just like what I do for the.
I used to have as a photocopy before I invest on the big printers. So I use a photocopy machine,
Yes.
and then I print it in a transparent,
Yes,
and then I use that.
right, for your trees.
So
Picture.
and then so you see this is exactly this same tree. So you could add as many as you want, and then
That's great.
so it give you an impression.
Oh, gee.
Oh, what's strong? Because sometimes my original disappear. So now this is only a small part of it, okay? And if you have time, just take a look, okay? Anyways. I hear it.
Is that 1 squirt, 2 squirts, 3 squirts?
I don't know.
How's that? Is that like 1 squirt, 2 squirts, 3 squirts?
No, 2 spray, and then 3 sprays, 6 spray, like this.
Yeah.
We know.
And that's give you the result, okay? Yeah.
That's really a good idea.
It
Now,
is.
I'm gonna leave it there, so, but we're gonna use this in just in a minute. Okay, now, let's finish this, okay? Let's finish this. As I said yesterday, because I tape it, and I do not have advantage or darken the background. If I darken it, and it will cause me problems. So it's a little lighter than those. It should be this dark, okay? It should not be that light, unless you want it like this. That's fine with me, okay? Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna dot the blossom, and then we'll paint some bird, and then that's finished. Okay. Now, also, because of the white, because of the melting. So if you dot, and then when for a traditional melting, which is you had to apply the glues
Yeah,
at the back of the painting, and then the paints, especially
the
those
white
white.
will come off.
Yeah. So that is another way is you dot it after you mount,
Yes.
and then spray a little, but do not mount it on the small board, or you can tape it on
Tape it.
just like that, and then spray, and then dot it. And then when it dries, they will stretch so you don't have to remount it again.
Yes,
Okay, so
makes sense.
so that keep you don't doing an extra work.
Yeah, because even with a face sheet, the white will come off
Yeah.
once it gets wet.
So it's good to have it mounted and dotted later. Okay, but both are equally good result. All right. But I was, I do prefer dot before mounting, because after mounting there's layers of glue really.
None of the white goes in at all. It just sits on the top.
Yeah, that's what we want.
Yeah,
That's what we want. But it doesn't look that soft.
yeah, it's a harder look.
Yeah.
After mounting is harder. Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because it's really sitting up hard on the
Right.
surface. Doesn't penetrate at all.
I'm gonna bring a fan here. You give some air. Apply the peach blossom. Okay. First of all, you apply white, and then dot a little crimson later, because if you put both colors together, it would sink to the bottom. So the white first. Okay. And then
And that white is,
any white, poster white. You can
Poster
use mineral whites as well.
Get the right glasses.
No, those my painting glasses, those distant glasses. Trying to have all the hairs open,
okay.
but not in a straight line like this. If you can, now how to do it? Just twist it, okay? Press it down, twist it, and then if I hope they open it, but not they don't open all. I mean, you find the one that you use does not really suit your taste, and then you change to other brushes until the brush that you really like for dotting this tree. That will be okay. Or sometimes, you see that I will use just dotting, really. Now you can use any paper, cover it out before you.
Okay, mask
Flat
it
out.
out. If you're gonna splatter it, mask it.
You can use both technique, okay? Now this must be a hard zone,
Yes.
but a little more extra water will help. That will save you a lot of time. Don't over dot, okay? The peach blossom unlike the cherry blossom. Okay, cherry blossom will fill up the whole tree. Okay, the peach blossom don't,
Not as abundant.
no. You can dot the white and then melt it, and then you dot again with a little crimson. That will be just fine. Dotting this technique like this, okay, and the autumn, the maple are almost the same. There is a crimson with it. Now what I want you to do is do like this. Okay. When it touches the crimson leaves, you don't go back. Okay? Don't go back. If you same place,
Yeah,
it become
muddy.
no. The crimson leaves does become mixed. They don't show the tones.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
It
See.
dilutes it down.
Have you? We don't need a lot of, just a touch.
So you want the idea of the
Yeah.
red.
seem like the maple trees. I used to like a lot of dark, bright vermilions, and now maybe I'm getting old, so I like more yellow instead than
A little more subtle color.
just that will do. Okay. You can also
Scatter.
yeah. And then the last thing you do is now you see that some of my painting has a lot of dot regardless of what season. Now I didn't know you realize that if you see your work before dot, you take a pictures, and then when you spray it and you take another picture, you